Here's how to create a parent account in Lalilo. First, head to lalilo.com and click Sign Up Free. On the Sign Up page, be sure to click I'm a Parent. Then fill out the rest of your information and click Create Account. You'll be asked to enter a parent code. The code must be provided by your child's teacher. Lalilo is created to support classroom teachers, so unless you've been invited by your child's teacher, you will not be able to create a parent account. Your child's teacher may print the code and send it home with your child, or they may email it to you. If they email it, check your email and click the link provided by your child's teacher. When you click the link, you'll be given this page, which gives you all the information about how to create an account and tells you your code. Once you have your code, you can enter it into the parent code box and click Connect. Once you've clicked Connect, be sure to check that you have connected to the correct child and click Let's Start. Now your child is ready to play on Lalilo.